My TV6.
So this is how normally the remote should work. Now that we see how it should work, we should try wrapping a paper to the remote and see if it still works. The answer is yes, the remote still works even I wrap it with paper.
Now, we'll wrap the remote with the towel and now see kung gagana ba siya. And yes, it still works.
Now let's try to wrap the remote with plastic and see if the remote still works. The remote still works.
And lastly, let's wrap the remote with aluminum foil and see if the remote is still works. The remote did not work.